Hi guys, today I will teach you how to use an Android Flash AD560 Mark V. Here is my packet I had ordered from eBay in only $50. I ordered two Flash and now I will teach you how to use in this Flash. Okay, so here is my Flash. Let's open him. This is the Flash. Let's open him. Okay, so this is the Flash, and Flash come without batteries, so you're inside batteries to the Flash. And turn on the Flash. Okay, so in the Flash we have three modes. First mode is it M manual. Two mode is S, and the three is like a Wi-Fi icon, and it's working with the trigger. So the manual mode is the standard mode. When it's high numbers, I mean 128, is it weak? And when it's in low numbers, I mean 1, it's the strongest. Okay, so this is the trigger, and the trigger comes without batteries, so we are inside to him. Okay, so the have 4 numbers in the trigger and 4 numbers in the Flash. We are need that the numbers were down and up in the trigger, we down and up in the Flash. Let's try to say it like it's come. I mean 4 and 1 in up and 2 and 3 down. Let's see it. Here, when I pushing in the trigger, the Flash gave me 1. Okay, we are gave more 1 thing, and here is for we are go up the Flash or place the Flash in the side. And now bring the camera and see how it's work. We are inside the trigger into the camera on the hot show and gave 1 click on the camera and see when I take picture in the camera, the Flash gave me 1. Okay, so I wish you like it, give me like, and have a nice day. Bye bye.